Alright guys, in our next step I'm going to explain a little bit about how I file my pictures in Lightroom. So when we come over to the side, you can make a collection set. So say for example, if you do a lot of business headshots, you might have business headshots be your collection set. You're going to click on the plus sign here and you're going to put create collection set, or click on create collection set, and I'm just going to call it a test right now because I already have some made. So you're going to create the collection set that we call test, and you see it right down here. And then let's say you have a test subject come in, you're going to file that test subject under the collection named test. So you're going to click create collection, and I'm just going to say test 1, but we notice how we say inside collection set create, and then that files that underneath the collection set. And you can have all types of collection set for whatever type of photography you do. I usually file it by the customer's name that matches in my CMS system. So if I need to go back and pull something, I know exactly what to look for. And next we'll go over how to sort them out and rename them after you import them.